How to get promo code in Binomo. So to obtain a Binomo promo code, just click or check the Binomo's platform's official website for active promotions. So first, you can check the platform itself. So they have promotion page. You can look for dedicated promotions or offers sections on the website or platform itself. They also have active promotions. So keep an eye out for any current promotions that might offer promo codes as a part of bonus. Then you can also subscribe to Binomo's newsletter so you can stay informed by subscribing to Binomo's newsletter ensures you receive updates about new promotions, including those that might include promo codes. You can also follow Binomo on social media. So on Instagram and Telegram, Binomo regularly posts promo codes and bonus informations on their channels. And for the prize wheel promotion, so Binomo has run promotions like the prize wheel on Telegram, where participants can win a random promo code. Then we have here the VIP status. So if you have VIP, you can have your personal manager offer you exclusive promo codes or coupons. You can also get promo code specifics like deposit bonus, which are often granting deposit bonuses which increase your trading funds when you make a deposit. You can also get bonus percentage. So the percentage increases of your deposit is typically specified in the promo code's terms. And then you can also have the minimum deposit. So there's a minimum deposit requirement to activate the bonus associated with the promo code. And for validity, you can have the promo codes have an expiration date to be sure to use them before they expire.